Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we started out with demo 1. We're in cycle 1. And demo 1, we took a 2-liter bottle, we put 4 ounces of water into this 2-liter bottle, and that water was at what temperature? Who remembers? Brianna?
200, I think it was 222 degrees or something.
Close. 212 degrees Fahrenheit. That is what?
Really hot water.
Well, it's really hot water. What would we call? What's the term we use?
112 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius. What's the term we use? What is that? Boiling. So we put boiling water into this, we sealed it very quickly, and we watched what happened. Alright? Now, I will tell you that the majority of you, as I walked around and read your things, said it had something to do with the heat and possibly melting the plastic. Now, I wanted you to consider that when we do today's demonstration. Today's demonstration, we're taking an aluminum can, and we are going to do the exact same thing to the aluminum can. We're going to take 4 ounces of boiling water from our hot water pot. We're going to dump it into the aluminum can. I'm going to seal it as quickly as possible, and then we are going to observe and see what happens to the can. Now, some things to take into consideration when you are watching this. We have a clock on the wall. The red hand is the second hand. You may want to take note of what time it is when I dump in the water and seal it, and take note when you see things that happen compared to the time. Alright? Just one thing for you to think about. I'm going to start this experiment. It's obviously hot, because I had one of my more brilliant moments and set my hand on top of it. And we'll go from there. So everybody got their observation on? Okay, here we go. Just watch. Remember I said time is a thing to consider. Definitely hot. Right?
Because it goes in slower than, because the plastic goes in faster than that.
This could take a little bit, I'll be honest with you. There's a reason it could take a little bit.
Cool down.
But that's the point. It's starting to pull in a little bit, isn't it? It's doing it really slowly. For those of you that are sitting further away, right now, kind of on the side here, it's starting to pull in. Let me just give you an example of what's going on.
See, it takes a lot longer.
When did that take up?
Now the question you need to ask yourself when you get ready to start your PMT is this. And we'll let this go for you to observe for a while. When I did it, it still did the same thing, right? We look at it compared to our bottle. Alright, now it's going to take a little bit. What I'd like you to do right now, while you're observing, is start your PMT. And I'm going to leave the video running and you're going to stay silent. So when the can does what it's going to do, y'all get a chance to see it, alright? Hear it? Very quietly, by show of hands, when I first did this and nothing happened, who thought nothing was going to happen? Who is surprised right now that something is happening?